Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable enhanced safe browsing protection in Google Chrome so you can stay better protected while browsing the web. If you want stronger security against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions, this feature is definitely worth turning on. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your device. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. This will open the main menu where you'll find all your browser settings and options. From that menu, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This is where you can customize how Chrome works and adjust your privacy controls. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section is important because it gives you control over how your data is handled and how safe your browsing experience is. Next, tap on Safe Browsing. Here you'll see different levels of protection that Chrome offers to keep you safe online. Now choose Enhanced Protection. This option provides the highest level of security. It actively warns you about risky websites, protects you against harmful downloads,